Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we accelerate into the future of electric excellence, uncovering rides that fuse heritage with high-voltage innovation. Today, we're electrified by the 2026 Maserati GranTurismo Folgore, the Italian icon's all-electric rebirth as a grand touring coupe that's as seductive as it is savage. This Folgore, meaning lightning in Italian, marks Maserati's bold EV leap, delivering 818 horsepower of silent fury in a package dripping with trident soul. We've dissected prototypes, lapped virtual circuits, and crunched the numbers to bring you this comprehensive review. From its sinuous shell to its symphonic sprint, let's thunder through the details. Strap in. The exterior of the 2026 GranTurismo Folgore is pure Maserati poetry, a curvaceous predator that evolves the GT lineage with subtle electric cues while screaming timeless allure. At 195.6 inches long on a 115.9-inch wheelbase, it's 77.8 inches wide and just 53.3 inches tall, a light 2+2 coupe that hugs the asphalt like a lover. The carbon fiber-intensive body, weighing in at 4,961 pounds, boasts a slippery 0.29 CD drag coefficient, thanks to active aero flaps and underbody diffusers that channel air for efficiency and downforce. Up front, the iconic oval grille glows with adaptive matrix LED headlights, their boomerang signatures slicing the night, while Folgore badges in blue accents nod to its electric heritage without diluting the drama. Flanking the nose are sculpted fenders housing massive 20-inch forged wheels, upgradable to 21s, shot in Pirelli P0 Elect tires blending grip and low resistance. The side profile flows like a Ferrari sketch, punches that swell rearward, frameless doors, and a subtle roofline dip into a fastback tail. Choose from 10 paint options, like the iridescent blue Emozione or Rosso Italiano, with optional carbon accents for a stealthier vibe. At the rear, tri-fingered taillights frame a wide stance with quad virtual exhausts and a deployable spoiler that adds 220 pounds of grip at speed. It's not just handsome, it's a wind-cheating work of art, towing nothing but envy on the open road. Inside, the GranTurismo Folgore envelops you in a cockpit that's bespoke luxury meets race-bred focus, proving EVs can whisper elegance as loud as version 8's roar. This 2+2 seats 4 in relative comfort, with the rear perches ideal for weekend jaunts or leggy passengers. The cabin spans premium realms, hand-stitched Cuoio leather in 14 hues, open-pore Radica wood or carbon trims, and recycled Alcantara accents for a sustainable spin on opulence. Front buckets, 12-way power adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage, cradle you like tailored gloves, while ambient lighting in 64 colors dances across the dash. Command Central is a 12.5-inch digital gauge cluster paired with an 8.8-inch climate display and a 10.25-inch central touchscreen running Maserati's intelligent assistant OS, seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AR navigation included. Physical knobs for volume and drive modes keep it analog tactile, while rear passengers tap into wireless charging and optional folding screens. The 14-speaker Sonus Faber sound system, with Dolby Atmos, turns the space into a private opera house, pumping 900 watts without a whisper of road noise. Cargo: 8.8 cubic feet in the trunk, plus a frunk for valuables. It's intimate yet indulgent, a rolling salon where Italian artistry meets electric poise. Performance: the Folgore unleashes Armageddon in silence, transforming the GT into a torque monster that redefines grand touring. 3 permanent magnet motors, 1 front, 2 rear, feed 818 horsepower and 663 pound-feet through an 800 volts all-wheel drive system, torque vectoring like a mechanical wizard for neutral, addictive handling. From a standstill, it devours 0 to 60 mph in 2.7 seconds, quarters in 10.9 at 131 miles per hour, and tops 199 miles per hour, figures that smoke the gas GT Modena. The 83 kWh liquid-cooled battery grants a WLTP estimated 298-mile range, EPA around 250, efficient for a 4,961-pound beast, with real-world sprints yielding 2.5 miles per kilowatt-hour. Suspension is a marvel. Active skyhook dampers with 48 volts anti-roll bars that flatten corners to 1.1 grams, while the low battery placement drops the center of gravity 3 inches versus the V6. Brakes blend carbon ceramics 15.4-inch fronts with region for stops from 124 miles per hour in 3,500 feet. Charging zips 0–80% in 25 minutes at 250 kilowatts DC, or plug in at home for overnight bliss. Drive modes: Wet, GT, Sport, Casa, dial from compliant cruiser to track fiend, with level 2 UDOSH-like adaptive cruise and lane trace adding serene smarts. It's not propulsion, it's propulsion poetry, electrifying the soul without a drop of drama. Pricing: the GranTurismo Folgore. Its exclusivity incarnate, starting at $197,195 plus $2,495 destination, a premium portal to EV exotica that undercuts the Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner but commands respect. The lone trim keeps it pure, but options escalate: $5,000 for premium paint, $10,000 for carbon aero kit, $4,500 for the Mechanica Veneta interior package with embroidered trims. Loaded, it crests $220,000, with no federal tax credit yet. Maserati's chasing eligibility. Resale. Maserati holds 65% after 3 years, buoyed by limited production. Against the $190,000 Porsche Taycan Turbo S, it trades range for raw romance. In sum, the 2026 Maserati GranTurismo Folgore isn't merely electric. It's an electric sonnet, harmonizing heritage thunder with silent lightning to eclipse rivals in emotion and elan. Minor quibbles like modest range pale against its visceral vice grip. For those craving a GT that grants tours with thunder, this Folgore strikes true. Coupe or future cabrio, which electrifies you? Comment below, like if Maserati magic moved you, and subscribe for more charged chronicles. Until next time, chase the bolt on EV horizon.